Hello, hello. It's 10 o'clock, and give me a few minutes. I am just getting everything ready. Um, I'm almost done. Just bear with me. We've got some fun tonight. Alrighty. Let me having a little bit, I got to set up my camera before. Okay. Yeah, I got music. Music on the wait music. Waiting for me music. We've got a good show tonight. Got a couple of things. Couple of new things to do and go over. And I got a site to design. New site we're working on. But before we do any of that, apps, I gotta start that app up. Gotta push some buttons on my my Stream Deck. Get this stuff working okay. All right. What's going on over here? I don't see anything. Okay, I was gonna say, I've got my live stream going on. We are going out to Facebook. Oh shoot, my Instagram is not working. So hold on. Let's get the Instagram to connect. All right, I always have this issue because Instagram is kind of a sneaky thing. I got to use this app called the Yellow Duck or Yellow Duck. It's actually called Yellow Duck. And what it does is I log into it, Instagram. I log into the Yellow Duck with my, oh shit, I hit the wrong button. My Instagram password. And what it does is it, it pulls the stream URL, and then because without it, it won't stream, which it's I don't get it. It's weird. Only because I'm not cool enough to be able to stream on Instagram yet, because apparently I don't have enough people. I don't get it, but I know a way around things. So let's paste that in there. We grab that stream URL. Pop that in there, save, and away we go. We are now live on Instagram too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, we is. We are live on Instagram as well. Okay. So let me make sure everything is working good. Camera. Usually, what is going on with my my webcam? Hold on. It's giving me some issues. Having some issues already. Let's bring up the Mac screen. Just so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to figure out. So there's this little app that I run to make my GoPro my camera because, GoPro is really good quality. Okay, there we go. And before I even use it, I've got to do this show preview thing with the GoPro before it will allow me to use it in an app. So now that I did that preview, I can go like that, and we should be going okay. There we go. We are live. Hello, everyone. How is everyone's week been? I know I haven't been on in a little while. I've had I wasn't feeling well last week, so I just didn't stream. I can't. There's no other reason for it. Just didn't feel well. Let's put some headphones on. All right, so I can hear myself. Got a new little duster so that I can dust everything off and make everything's pretty. All right, I also bought some new toys this week. I got, if you can see, if I bought a case for an iPhone 15 Pro Max, what do you think I bought? I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I also bought a new strap for my watch. I don't know. I just think this strap is really nice. Let's put these away. We don't need them out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do tonight is first I got to look around and see where my other camera is. My other camera's over there. I'm going to try and get a top-down view. We'll see if I can do it. Maybe I'll hook the camera on my mic stand because I've got some scratch tickets. I want to scratch them live, and you can witness me becoming a loser. All right, so let's get these suckers ready to go. All righty. I'm going to grab this camera. A little too... Hold on. Grab a camera from across the room. Okay, so let's unplug this camera from this computer. All right. Okay, I got the webcam. Here we go. Dust it off a little bit. Now we plug the webcam. I'm using this little webcam. It's not bad. It's not a bad camera. All right, so I got to plug this camera into the back of my monitor. Because in the back of my monitor, I've got some extra USBs. So now, I wonder if I just make that straight out. Put that in like that. Okay. I think this is working. And then, no, I won't be able to hang straight down. Ooh, what if I do this? Yeah, I got a top-down view camera now. I think it's going to be sideways, though. Let's take a look. Oh, shoot. It's not recognizing the camera yet. Hold on. That should do it. Okay, I've got kind of a top-down view. It's just... Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I've got a XLR cable here that I can just kind of... Boop. Yeah. I now have a desk view camera. I will not say that it's the best, but it's something. You can see my hands. You can see the scratchers. You can see me lose in style. All right, so let's see. Do I have something to scratch it with? Yes, I do. I'm actually going to scratch it with, hold on. Got to turn my home alarm system off or it will go crazy. So I am going to go boop, 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 alarm.com and what do you mean? Trying to log into my alarm system and it's giving me an incorrect login and password. What did you mean my login and password's incorrect? This is weird. Oh wait, do I have two different ones? Alarm.com. That should be my password. Login help. All right. Forgot your password. I feel like an idiot because I forgot my password for my alarm system. Okay, return to login screen. They sent me an email. Because we are going to, let's see, blah, 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 primary. No, what's this? YouTube just messed with me. Now live on YouTube. Yeah, no shit. All right. Updates. I'm not getting anything from my alarm system. Okay. This is aggravating. Let's do a search. ALARM. Let's just do a search for alarm. Alarm.com. It's got my email in here. Login help. It's because I got a new phone and all my apps aren't set up yet. Let me see something. Boop. Did it send my password to this account? No. This is bizarre. Now, but I do know I can go like this. We're gonna go into, let's switch back to my Mac for a second. Yeah, we gotta do some alarm.com, some geek stuff. No, it's actually I think it's partners.alarm.com. No, where do I log in as an installer? Partner portal. Oh, alarm admin. Like, see, this password saved from my alarm.com partner portal, but what I'm going to do, find customer, Jeff Dodge, login name, okay. Oh, customers, let's see, customers, search customers, like, just give me all the customers. All right, there I am. Now, if I go here, what is my account? First name, last name, blah, 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 blah. Interactive gold. Login and password help. Reset customer password. Customer email format, HTML. Click the button, reset for this account. Reset customer password. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, it says it has emailed me. Yep, I just got the email. Sweet. Change password. There we go. Going a little slow. Come on, buddy. All I need is something to scratch my scratch tickets with, and the problem is it's in the safe, and the problem is if I go into the safe, it's gonna go crazy and go whew, 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 and it won't be pretty. All right, so new password. I'm gonna go like this. One pass. I'm actually gonna make my alarm system password alarm.com. Copy that. Paste. Copy that. Paste. Save. Okay. So that should fix it. Save, damn you. Yay! Security question. Confirm. Okay. So now I should be able to get into my damn account and disarm my house. What? Oh, I had to log in with my email. Okay. So system disarm. I can open my safe. Okay. I'm going to get something to scratch these lotto tickets with. I think it'll work. It is. What I am going to do is I am going to scratch the lotto tickets with a gold bar. Yes, that is right, a gold bar. For everybody who's wondering what the heck I'm talking about, I'll show you. So I've got these really cool gold bars. This is by Arger Hirius. It is a 1 gram gold bar. That's the one I'm going to scratch the tickets with. But that I've also got a 5 gram gold bar, and I've also got a 10 gram gold bar. These gold bars are so cool. Check them out. Look, that's the front of it, and then the back of it. Look at that. It's got this cool hologram. It's kind of badass. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think I want to use the gold bar to scratch the things because it's not really good to scratch with. Let's see. Do I have anything else I can scratch with? This is like my bank, all my stuff, all my important papers and shit, Social Security and all that good stuff. This is all the stuff you want not people to see. That's why it's in the safe. And there is nothing to scratch the gold bar with. Ooh. You know what? That'll work. All right. I found something because I don't pay with cash or coins anymore. So I got this key. It's my key to my the Dell server in the other room. But it'll work. It'll work perfect for me. So let's go back to my desk cam and see. So lucky roll. So let's see. Roll 1. Oh wow, this scratch is really good. Roll 1 is 4 plus 2. 200. I don't know what that means yet, but I guess I gotta scratch it all. How do I do it? Oh, if any one roll adds up to 7, win the prize for that roll. If any one roll adds up to 11, win double the prize for that roll. Each roll is played separately. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6. Loser, baby. 1 plus 2 is 3. Loser. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 6 plus 4 is 10. So that ticket is what you call a loser. All right. This is going to be the triple tripler. Match any of your numbers to either winning number, prize shown. Get 3 times symbol, win 3 times prize. Get a star symbol, win all 6 prizes. Bonus, get a... Okay. Let's see. Bonus spot. Did I win? What's it say? Says bonus treasure. Well, it's not the money symbol, so let's see. What are the winning numbers? 17 and 6. What are my numbers? 4. I'm going to go like this. 4, 12, 10. 8, 1, 7. So that is also a loser. Kidoki. Let's see if the $5 tickets are any better. Like, come on. Am I really that much of a loser that I can't win anything? Come on. Hey, David, how are you? Here we go. Winning numbers. 3, 1, 3, 11, 1, and 15. Yeah, I'm hoping. Like I said, if I win the million, I'm gonna hook you up. We're getting more than computers. We'll get some cars. All right. 10? No. 13. 4, 19. Those are all losers. 5, 14. No. 6. No. 8 and 2. Oh, wait, I got some more. 12 and 9. I am. This is 3 for yeah, and I'm losing. That's a loser. Next. Like, I'm hoping these work good, these waves of cash, because I love like under the sea things. So, all right. When David first came over, he came from Colombia to live here. The first place I went with him is to the aquarium. That's how much I love fishies and under the sea stuff. So here's a 9 for $10. No, 9 doesn't match any of those. 6 doesn't match any of those. 15 doesn't match. 19, that don't match. 16, nope. 13, nada. 4. I'm a loser, baby. So why don't you kill me? 7. 17. 3. And another loser. God, I suck. All right, so I've got these 3 left. And these are all $5 tickets, so I want to at least win something. All right, so the winning numbers are 16, 17, 19, and 6. So here we go. 23, no. Let's see what this crab is. It's a 7, nada. It's a 1, no. It's a 9, nope. Come on. 26, nope. 29, 21, nothing. 4, nope. Come on. 13, nothing. 27, this is sad. 14, and 8, nothing. Let's see, do I got any bonuses? I got a necklace. Get a shell symbol, win $50 automatically. Get a anchor in the bonus. I got an umbrella and a necklace. So I guess I can go and choke myself with the necklace and use the umbrella to fly away. I don't know. All right. Next one. I'm going to do the bonuses first. Bonus 1 is an apple. Apple a day, keep the doctor away. Second bonus is some glasses. Nada. Those are not winners. Winning numbers are 22, 29, 9, and 25. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Big money. Big money. 16. Nothing. 12. Nothing. 28. Oh, come on. I got 29 and 25. You have to give me 28. 3. Nothing. 24. Oh, you're getting like so close to numbers I have, but not exact. No. 6. 8. Got 8, but yay. 26, but I got 25. Come on. 4. Nope. 15. Nope. 13. And 19. Holy shit. This is like, I am a loser. This is the last card I have here. And this is a guaranteed loser. I mean, I lost on everything else. So here we go. Bonus. We got a cherry. Come on, let's pop this cherry. And we got a dolphin. Oh, I like dolphins. A dolphin and a cherry. So hopefully those will help me. Winning numbers are 25, 8, 24, and 17. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go now. 28 is my first number. That would have been nice. I would have loved to win $500. That would be nice, but 26. I think 26 was on the last ticket. No, 20 was 20. Yeah, 25. All right. Next is a 4. Wow. Out of every ticket I bought, they're all losers. 29. No. 1. I can't even win a free ticket. 23. Nothing. 15. Nothing. 9. 7. Nope. 19. Nope. Wow, if I would have won the night, if I would have had 19, I would have won $1 million. Wouldn't that have been fucking nice? That would have made my day. But I had number 17. All right, 27. Nope. And last but not least, 11. I'm a loser, baby. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 tickets. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $27 are losers. Oh, yeah. All right. I gotta put my key back in my safe. All right. So we are losers. We are losers. Well, I'm a loser at least. Hey, where did my Oh, I was gonna say, where'd my chat go? Now I got scratchy dust all over my desk. All right. Here we go. Here we go now. All right. So let's get into some web stuff. So, oh yeah, I wanted to post something on here. I can sign out of that. All right. I'm going to go to Discord real quick. Don't switch. So I am going to put something in my promote myself thing. Twitch.tv. I can go to the Mac so you can see my what I'm typing. I stream tutor. I teach YouTube. Teach web design on Twitch. Join me tonight. Okay, here we go. God, look at my mug. All right. I gotta get a better picture for my thing. But here we go. We are designing a website for a fellow Twitch person. Let me bring up her stream for a second because I think she's streaming right now. So I'm just gonna pull it up so you can see whose stream it is. Wow, my internet's going a little slow. Yeah, she's a gamer, and she's actually streaming Alan Wake. This is her. All right. So her new web address is melibela.tv, and there's nothing there right now. But we're going to make it so that there's something there. All right. Let's go to WP admin, of course, the WordPress admin area. And from here, I can get rid of that. I don't know. She lives in Texas. Sorry. But she was playing Cyberpunk 2077 on the stream, and I'm like, holy shit, that game looks fun. That's what got me to buy it. And then I bought it, and my computer said, fuck you, man. You can't run this shit. You don't have a good video card. So hence why I need a good PC, and me and David are building our new ones very soon. And Black Friday is the Friday after. Oh, yeah, that's what she's playing right now, Alan Wake. That looks like a fun game too. So now let me ask you, if I buy the game, can you play it too? I mean, I guess that's probably a no-no, but if I'm not playing it, can you play it? Yeah. The other game she was playing the other day is Sky something. Sky something. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I'm good with that because, I'm not going to be able to play all the time, but we can play when each other is not playing. So, the design we're going with is, let's bring up pages. So we're in WordPress. We're going to go pages, all pages. And I've got this under construction page right here. That's the front page right now. So we're going to add a new page. Skyrim. Yeah, that's it. That one looked kind of cool too. And she said, like, you can mod it and add all sorts of cool stuff to it. We're going to call this home. Yeah, that's what she said that actually got her, like, stream to be big is Skyrim, I guess. But we're going to go edit with Elementor. That brings up our Elementor editor. And all right, so here we go. First thing we want to do is, you can see this little guy just spinning over here. And typically what that means is your website doesn't have enough memory. And that's exactly what it is. Because when you install WordPress, typically it gives it, I think like 64 megs of RAM as its max. And that is nowhere near enough. So what we have to do is spin up WP. We actually have to log into the server. Sign in. We have to log into the server itself and edit a config file. Oh, wow, we got a lot of updates that need to get done here. Oh, shit. I put her website on the wrong server. It was supposed to go on Batty, not on Snow. But that's an easy change. Check out. Okay. So now that I figured out that I put her on the wrong server, so what we're going to do is, this is a pretty cool thing. So with SpinUp WP, and what SpinUp WP is, it's an engine that lets you turn any server into a hosting server. And it does all of the rest for you. So what we're going to do, and you can see that just did updates all to that. So I'm going to update this one. I'm going to back up because it's just a couple of updates. Okay, backup site files. Yep. So we back up before we do updates. So what we're going to do is we click on this little guy and we're going to move the site. We're going to go move site. Destination server is right. Batty. Both servers need access to the external database before initiating a clone. Okay, so with that being said, I have to go to aws.amazon.com because on the Snow server, the database is actually housed in Amazon. It's a remote database that I house at Amazon. And it's really a cool feature to keep your database external to your website. It makes it a lot quicker. I only do it on the big sites. Hey, look at that. It's got my Jeffy Pants bot is talking. I love my Jeffy Pants bot. All right. So we've got to go to databases. And then from databases, see, WordPress database has 80 gig SSD just for the database. We're going to go to manage and networking, and network security. This is weird. Oh, on public mode, anyone with database username and password can connect to it. Yeah, so what I need to do is turn this on public mode for a little while. Because I need it for my other server, which is not housed at Amazon, to have access to the database for a little while we do the transfer. Otherwise, what I typically have it set up as for security reasons is that only the Amazon server that is connected to it can, only on the local network can connect to it. All right, this takes a little while to do. So while we do that, we will get my duster out again and dust all this scratch ticket dirt off my desk. Craziness. Craziness, craziness. Damn this scratch ticket crap. On all my losing scratch tickets. Damn me. All right, come on. Come on, baby. Hurry up. Hurry, hurry, hurry. All right, while that's doing that, I can still design. So we are going to use a theme that we got from Envato. It's this cool theme you installed. And we are going to insert this homepage template. It's going to take a second to insert. So what this is doing is actually downloading all the images and stuff from the server that this theme is on. And then what we're going to do is we are going to customize the hell out of this theme. Then we're going to create an about page. It's pretty cool. We're going to create a 404 page, header and a footer. I should have made the header and the footer first, but it's okay. Once this page is done, I will work on doing the header and the footer. Also, we've got this site. Cool. It's called Placeit. Placeit.net. You can actually get some really cool images for gaming. What's this AI generated? Templates to level up your game. See, check it out. All these cool things for Twitch banner, you know, about me panels. I like these little about me info panels. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's part of a bundle. Okay. This is cool stuff. It's nifty. Welcome to my channel. Join the chat. Yay. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, it's got all these different ones. All right. Let's go back over here. This should be done, almost done importing, 96%. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. It's one thing that's kind of can be an issue if the server on the other end is having problems or it's going to slow down. All right, so we're in public mode now. So I should be able to do the transfer, the site to server. But let's do some updates on these sites. And this is as quick, easy it is to update these sites is literally click on the little bubble that's telling you how many updates it needs and then clicking update now. And that's it. Those websites are now updated. All right. So we're going to go back to the home page. Okay. Why is this? Oh, there we go. I was going to say, why is it still stuck? It just brought me back to here. Oh, shit. I know what I didn't do. I didn't increase the memory, what I was supposed to do. So I'm actually connecting to... Now, here's the thing about hosting your own website on your own server. Like, I can log into the admin, the root account, which is root is the server account. And I can edit files. Like, I need to edit, nano is an editor, so I'm doing nano wp config.php. And what I need to do is actually edit this config file and add this line, define. We're going to call this define wp memory limit, comma, 256m, boom, boom, boom. So now the site has the correct memory limit. All I did was save that file, and now this site has an updated memory limit, which will let it work correctly, which it wasn't before, as you saw that sidebar wasn't loading. Okay, so you can see this sidebar. Okay, what's going on? Why is this sidebar still giving me some issues? Let's just go to the main thing. We'll go to the main page. Main page. Okay, so media, it's already added some of the media for the new front page. So there's the home. We're going to go edit with Elementor. Now that the memory limit's updated, it should allow us to edit. Yep, that's fine that it's a draft. But see this spinny bar? I don't like this spinny bar over here. It shouldn't be taking this long. I'm going to do another update. It really should not be taking this long. So when you have a problem like that and Elementor won't load correctly, typically what it is it's a plugin that causes the issue. And I have a feeling I know which plugin it is. It's this ultimate add-ons for Elementor, because I typically don't install this plugin. All right, so I turned it off, and now if I go to the home page and click Edit with Elementor, it should let me pull it up with that sidebar. Let's give it a second. All right, sidebar still spinning. Okay, we are having some technical difficulties with Elementor. So now what we do again is we go to plugins. I am going to turn off another plugin. Really going to turn off the plugins that I don't need, like WP Forms Lite. We can delete that because I don't need it. Let's see if it's essential add-ons. So basically what you do when you're having an issue with your Elementor loading, what you do is, the first thing to do is disable the plugins. Disable whatever extra stuff you've installed for Elementor. I'm going to trash this post just because it's aggravating me. Add new page. Create one called home. And we're going to publish. And once you publish a page, that creates the link. Now we're going to go edit with Elementor. And from here, we should be able to hopefully work. You know, something weird is going on. So when something weird happens, what do? You say, delete the database that you wrote in on. And we say, peace out, yo. All right, and I mean, I've already went through and configured a lot of the site, but since I installed it on the wrong server to begin with, I mean, I'm just going to nuke it and start fresh. So copy the IP for Batty, because Batty is the server I want her on. So we're going to go DNS records. We're going to go to this DNS record right here that says what the IP for the server is. And we're going to pop that in, save it. And now go in and install it on the new server. We're going to add site. MELIBELA.tv. I don't need the www because I'm going to show you what I do for that in a moment. All right. I've updated DNS. And what DNS is, it's called domain name service. DNS is what points these names at your website. And what I do for the www, if somebody happens to go to www.melibela.tv, I create a rule. It's called a redirect rule. And we're going to go create. I'm going to go redirect to redirect www. So I'm redirecting www. So if it's saying if the host name equals www.melibela.tv, we are going to kind of do it. We're going to URL redirect it to a dynamic expression, which I do concat, which concatenates this whole thing. HTTPS : comma MELIBELA.tv, comma HTTP request URI path. And what that does is if somebody goes to www.melibela.tv/something, it's going to put that in there and automatically redirect it. So I've just added this redirect. So if I were to go to like www.melibela.tv/hello, it redirects me to melibela.tv/hello. But there's nothing there right now because we are in the process of deploying it. Next, we are going to change to my big face for a second because we don't need you to see passwords or anything like that. You know, that would be unethical. All right, so I put the password in there. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that. We'll install that. We'll install that. We can get rid of that. Get rid of that. We'll install that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay, next. And next. And we're going to put it on PHP 8.2 since that is the regular. All right, and now we can go back to the Mac and add the site to the server. I wanted to have it all set up so that from the start, but I can't believe I put it on the wrong server. Just my stupidity. And now that I deleted it and I don't need this to be public anymore, I'm just going to turn off the public mode because I don't need it to be public. All right, back to console home. Yeah, that's my bill for AWS every month. AWS, it's got a good price for AWS, but it does add up when you start doing a lot of different things on there. Start running a lot of services. Like I use a lot of different things on there. All right, so configuring WordPress cron job. A cron job is basically a scheduled job that runs at a specific time. Like you could set it to run at 10:30 every day. You can set it to run every minute, every 5 minutes. And typically for a WordPress site, it runs every minute to see if there's any changes. All right, so now this invalid SSL, if I hit reload, it should just give me a 404 error now. Hello world. All right, we're back up. We've got it back installed. So here we go. I'm going to go to wp-admin. I'm going to log in to the back end. Welcome to WordPress. Hell yeah. All right, so first thing we're going to do is install all the plugins we need. Classic Editor, activate that. All right. Envato Elements, activate that. Elementor. We're not going to activate that yet because we are going to upload the Pro version first. Elementor Pro. Install now. And so now I can go SSH Batty because Batty is the server that I put it on, which is the one I wanted to put it on from the begin with, which is hosted at Akamai sites, LA files, nano, wp config.php. Alrighty, so define WP memory limit 512 meg. So we're gonna give this a high memory limit of 512 megs, which should be more than enough to get. Okay, so you're not pro yet, so we're going to activate that. All right, connect my account because I am a professional Elementor user. Sign in. Oh, you pain in the butt. Phone. Yay, your site has been deployed. Elementor, here's your verification code 933870. Verify me. Okay, so we're going to activate this license. Okay, we're going to continue with the hello theme. The hello theme is basically a bare bones theme. MELIBELA. I don't have her logo yet. And that's a wrap. So we're done. So Elementor good. We are cool. We're getting there. So Elementor is activated. So elements. Now we're going to have to go to template kits again. And gaming. I want to make sure I install the right kit. It was this one. Devore Game Developer Elementor. So I'm going to install this kit. Yeah, I need a subscription to get started. So give me my token because I've got a subscription. Paste my token. Verify. Yay! Yeah, that's the project name. Okay, install this kit. I love the colors, the purples, and I love the little guys. And this is a cool site. This is going to be a fun site to make. I don't have any content from Meli yet, so we'll get that as we go. So first things first is when we go to these, we're going to go to this elements, template kits. No, installed kits. What we have to do first is there are 6 requirements. We're going to install these requirements. One thing I wanted to see is what is this Jag Elementor kit? Yeah, what is this? It's a plugin by Jag Theme. Do they have a website? Oh, they do. Okay. I just want to see. Oh, all right. So this Jag Elementor plugin, it basically is just something to let you use their themes. Okay. That's cool. I just didn't know what it was. So let's go back to this. So all my requirements are done. Other thing I need to do is we're going to go to plugins, installed. Because a bunch of these plugins that installed like Elements Kit. So Elements Kit, Metform. I have lifetime professional licenses for these kits. So because I do a lot of development for a lot of different sites. So first thing we want Elements Kit Pro. We'll install that bad boy. Activate license. All right, so now we check, what do we want? The header, footer, builder, mega menu. Mega menu is cool. One page scroll. What's that? I gotta view the demo, sorry. Oh, that's a pretty cool scroll. That's pretty cool. I don't need it, but that's pretty cool. All right. Oh, it's got conditional contact too. Wow, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna go next step. I don't need that. I already have all these. I don't need that. Next step, save changes. All right. So what I do need to do is go to elements, ELEMET kit, WP Med. All right, so I got to log in because I don't know my license keys. And I got to go back to my camera just so that you don't see the license key for her site because that wouldn't be fair. We are going to go manage sites. Go back. What did I do? I broke something. Hold on. My account, product licenses. Oh, manage licenses. So we click on this to view that. Okay, I copied that license. Go back. We go to Elements Kit. Let's grab her license. Copy that. All right, cool. So now if we go back to here, activate license now. Activate. Yay! We are activated for that. And we'll go back to the Mac. Go back to me. All right. So now we've added her license to this. We are now going to go to installed plugins. This Metform Pro. We're going to add it. We're going to upload plugin. Metform Pro. Install it because we need all these pro plugins. This is a forms plugin. And all right, we're going to activate this bad boy. If anybody's having problems seeing my screen, I've had a lot of people tell me that my screen is really too tiny, but I don't know if there's a way to change it because I like keeping my, because I got a big screen. I got a 27-inch monitor. But if there's a way that I can change it so that it streams smaller or it zooms it in or something, because I don't want to change my resolution, but I'd like it to be different for what you guys see. But yeah, so Metform, now I go to my license. I don't need that. Just next, save changes. Then it's going to ask me for the license key. And let's go back to my face for a second, just so that, again, you don't see her license key. Activate. Okay. We are good. That's all I needed. And we're back to this. All right, cool. So now that we've got that, let's first things first is let's make the header. So for that, we're going to go to templates, theme builder. This is how I make all my headers. And we're going to go plus on the header. And since we're using a theme that we got from Envato, I am going to install the header. This is weird. This is weird. That was weirdly slow. Okay, continue. And we're going to go to this little Envato button, view installed themes. And we are going to go insert template for the header. This is going to download the header template and insert it into this page. All right, there's our header. I mean, it doesn't look cool yet, but it will. It will. Bear with me. So we're going to publish it. Add condition to show it on the entire site. Save and close. Okay, cool. So now we can exit that. Leave page. And we're going to go to the first page. We're going to create add new. Call this home. We're going to publish it. Edit with Elementor. That's our editor that we are using. And let's hope that these little spinny things stop spinning so that I'm just not going to do anything. I've updated the amount of memory that Elementor has, so this should work, theoretically. I don't know why we're having issues. I know WordPress was just, okay, there we go. So that was an awfully long time. It never takes that long. First thing we're going to do is insert this template, which is a global styles kit. That installed the styles that we needed. Next, we are going to insert this home one. This is going to be her home page, the main page of the site. And when I talked to her this afternoon, she wants to do polls. She wants to put her clips from her Twitch on here, her social media, which can all be done. Cool. That bumped up. That went up to 96 quick. Hopefully it finishes quick. And what this is doing is actually bringing this theme in from Envato, which you've seen before until it broke on the last server. Just things are taking tremendously long tonight. Typically, this stuff isn't this slow. It's usually boom, 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 boom. I don't know if the updated WordPress has something to do with it, because I know WordPress did just come out with an update. And typically when WordPress comes out with an update and you're using plugins, the plugins sometimes don't work and right away. But this should work. Let's just we'll just wait for it to finish. Otherwise, I'll be designing this page, this whole site by hand, which, I mean, I can do, but I'd rather have a starting point for something. That's why I like using themes, because it gives you a point, some place to start with. And then you just work from there. You can change everything, and that's why I pay for Envato. Envato is by far one of the best things I've bought. Yeah, I've used it on like every site that I've designed. Let's give this a little while. It's taking longer than expected. All right, we're in. Cool. This doesn't look like it's supposed to look, though. Something's going on here. But it's got all the sections. Maybe it's... All right, so what I think it might be is those styles. So, hold on. We are going to... All right, we've updated. All right, so... It's got all the sections here. I just need to... Yeah, see, all the sections are here. It just doesn't have the styles in there yet. So I just gotta give it a minute to finish doing its thing. Yeah, see, it's really slowly bringing its stuff in. I'll give it a little while to finish doing its thing. So let's go back over here. We are gonna update this. We're gonna go exit. We're gonna go to templates. Nope, we're gonna go to elements, template kits, installed kits, view, and import this again. All right, view template. I don't know if that does anything. Let's just see what it did. Because this default theme, this style kit, is what makes the site look like it's supposed to look. But one thing I will say is this is going tremendously slow. All right, cool. It brought in the style. See how it's black background now? That's all I wanted to see. All I needed. So now I can exit. All right. So You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to quit Safari. I don't know if it's on my end that this is just going slow. So let's quit Safari. Oh, it might have been because I was running this stupid scan in the background. Yeah, no, I'm not going to quit them. Ignore that. Let's just let this do its thing. That's probably why everything was going slow, because I had this stupid thing running in the background. So while that runs, let's go over here. So yeah, we're going to be doing a whole bunch of different things on this stream with regard to website design and things like that. I'm also going to be designing a YouTuber's website as well. We talked a while back. He makes funny YouTube videos. He did a scratch ticket thing where he went to a whole bunch of different stores and got scratch tickets and to try and win. It's pretty cool. It's good stuff. Got kitty fur all over my mic. I wish I wouldn't have ran this stupid scan before I started streaming. I guess that's something I've got to learn to remember before I stream is make sure I don't have all this crap that I've got to do prior to streaming. So, yeah. I mean, I've got a lot of junk on my computer, at least. I got 14 gigs, 14.5, 1.6. Got a lot of junk that it's going to clean up. That's pretty cool. I mean, this is really not the time to do it, but it is what it is. I will do what I need to do. It just sucks that it's going a little slow tonight because of this. Like, it seems like everything's going slow tonight. I'm about to kill this if this doesn't hurry up. I am going to stop you. Yeah, stop. Yeah. Bugger off. All right, let's go into Chrome this time. Let's be a Chrome user. My CPU is going a little. My CPU is getting a workout. I will say that. All right, here we go. We are going to go to the MELIBELA.tv /WP admin. See how quick that loaded? That's how every page should be loading. Just like, yeah, see, this is already going a lot quicker. Pages, all pages. Let's go to the home page, edit with Elementor. Let's see if this loads quicker this time. Yeah, to see how fast that bar went across the top. It was pretty quick, but this is still taking some time. Oh, yes, but at least the theme looks correct. Yes, it does. All right, very cool. Very, very cool. I don't know where the little graphics are for here, though. Where are these cool little graphics? Where are the cool little graphics? You know what? That's okay. That's okay. I can go steal them. www. I gotta go like this, melibela.tv. So admin, check this out. So I'm gonna go to elements, installed kits. We're gonna go to template kits. Type in gamer. We're gonna go to this devor. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna go preview. What I want to preview is these little guys. Save image. Desktop. All right, so I guess it's called trans pink. Let's go over here. There's 2 images. So, okay, so this image, insert, upload. Oh. All right, that's not the image that I want. Okay. What is this little thing? Column. Button. Oh, first thing I want to do is get rid of this hide title. There we go. Looks a lot better now. All right. All right. So what I want to do is, what's that? Okay, there's trans pink. I want to see where this is coming from. You know what? Inspect. What is this little guy? It's a Lottie. It's a Lottie. Okay. URL Lottie element 5. All right. Where is this Lottie element? Action. No, I want the Lottie element. Did it not bring in that Lottie element? Yeah, this is... Where's my Lottie? Style. Okay, that's weird. I want my cool little Lottie that was here. How is that? Oh, what is this? What is that? Column. Okay, so that's that. Okay, that's that whole thing. So it's got to be something over here. Hey, how are you? Bright lean. I am working 9 to 5. No, working on this website. This site is currently under construction. Come back soon when it is finished. In the meantime, visit twitch.tv/MELIBELA, MELIBELA. Cool. All right, we're gonna update this temporarily. How goes it tonight? What's this little guy do? Hey, how are you? Yeah, WordPress is awesome. It lets you do so much, and what I'm using now is Elementor, and it's a page builder for WordPress, and it lets you drag in, like if I want to drag a heading in, all I do is drag it in. So it's got everything like draggable. It makes it kind of like Wix, I guess, but WordPress is so much better for search engine optimization. You can do so much here with WordPress. I am going to go to, now I'm going to add something to the menu. So I'm going to go appearance menus, and I got to create a new menu. So we're going to call this main, create menu, and add home to it. Add to menu, because it just adds the home page to it, and save. So now when I go back to pages, well, first thing I want to do is go to this theme builder. Theme builder. By hand. Oof. I've done that too. I do a lot of Laravel development where I do a lot of hand coding with CSS and HTML. But the funny thing is I've never used Python. I want to learn Python. I really think that's something I need to get involved with. All right. I want to... Is it the whole image? It's the image. All right. So what I'm going to do is because I don't have a logo for her site yet. So I'm just going to delete it, and I'm just going to throw in a title right now. I'm just going to bring this. I'm going to grab site title, and I'm just going to literally drag that in there. Yeah, because I don't have a logo yet, so I'll leave the logo there. Actually, you know what? I'm actually going to get rid of that. I don't need that to be there. Update. So, good enough. And you could see it created a button called Home when I added it to the menu. So if I go back to Pages, and I go to Home, then I go to Edit with Elementor, I mean, there are some things with, I mean, they're called plugins, not extensions, but they're basically the same thing. And there have been issues with plugins where WordPress will do an update and the plugin's not up to date yet, so it causes a bit of an issue. But for the most part, if you're using a plugin that's actively developed, they typically update the plugin before the new version of WordPress is out. So I've been using WordPress for, God, 5, 6, 7 years, and I've never had a real issue. I mean, I've had issues. I have gotten hacked before, so you have to keep your stuff updated. And the reason why there are so many updates and so many plugin updates is because people do find backdoors and exploits for WordPress stuff. So I mean, it's like anything. You've got to keep your Python updated. You just make sure everything's updated. Make sure your server is safe and all that. And it's like anything else. If you keep up with it, you're good. And the thing I like about it is there's really cool tools out there. Like I use SpinUp WP, which SpinUp WP is a way to I switched to Chrome. Enter your password. One thing I really like is the Stream Deck, how I can have a button that's my password. It makes it so easy. But what you can do, like this is SpinUp WP. These are, you can see I've got a bunch of servers. Each one of these is a different server. Like this server is at DigitalOcean. I've got this server that's at Amazon Workspace, Amazon Web Services. I've got this one at Akamai. This one's on AWS. And the cool thing with this is I log in and it's telling me there's a little 7 there. That means there's 7 updates. And you just click on it, you click update now, and SpinUp WP does all the updates for you. So literally all these sites, these are all different websites. I'm literally just clicking update now, clicking update now. And this is going through and updating every one of the sites that I'm hosting in 2 seconds. That's what I like about SpinUp WP is it keeps everything, it keeps me updated, it keeps the if there's an issue going on with the server, it will update the server for you. It's and the really cool thing is there's nothing installed on your server for this. The only thing it needs is access to SSH, and it does everything else. Like SpinUp WP is a Laravel project, to be honest. It's cool. It's all written in Laravel. And you could do so much with it. I push WordPress a lot to people. Like I've taught a lot of people WordPress because I love it so much. And there's tons of themes out there. Like all these things. All I did was search for a gamer, and these are all themes that I have access to with one click. I can install any of these things with one click and start editing it right away. But you can also design from scratch too. But I don't know. I like starting with a template. It just gives me a starting point to work with. But I'm having an issue right now where this little guy, this little Lottie, you can see right here it all updating here. But it didn't install with the plugin, with the theme. So I'm a little confused. I'm going to try something. I'm going to go add pages, add new page, test. We're going to add a test page, edit with Elementor. This is the page builder. Elementor pops up. And first thing I want to do is hide the title. I don't need that big test there. Then I just click on this little leaf. This is Envato. Here's my kit. And I click Insert Template. Because I want to see something. Why the Lottie didn't come in. I want to see if it comes in again. Like the last time it got stuck at 96%. And seems to be doing that again here. It like gets stuck at 96%. Well, that didn't get stuck for that long this time. All right. I just don't think it's bringing the Lottie in. Yeah, it's not bringing the Lottie file in for some reason. Image, that's a different section. This section is here. Image, those are the images. That's the column. Sticky element, no. Motion effects, no. Responsive attributes. This is weird. This is bizarre. And like you run into things like this, where it doesn't bring in a certain thing, and like the Lottie that I'm trying to get brought in, and like it's just aggravating because it should be there. I like this little Lottie. But I'll figure that out later. All right, so contact us. All right, so I like the drop-down menus about us. That's pretty cool. Oh, I like these. All right, cool. So let's continue. So we're going to, I'm going to delete this test page because I don't need it. So we're going to add a new page. I'm going to call this about. I'm going to publish it. Edit with Elementor. And first things first is we turn off the page title, because if you notice, about is kind of sticking over MELIBELA. So we're going to go hide title, and then we're going to click on the leaf, view installed kit, and about us, insert. So this will bring in the about page. Okay, brought in the about page. How easy was that? Okay, update. All right, exit. Oh, the other thing I wanted to bring in. So now I'm going to go to templates, theme builder. We're going to go add a footer. And X out of that. So when adding a footer, again, first thing you always really do is you're going to go to the leaf, view installed kit, scroll down, footer, insert. So we're going to insert this footer. So now the way that headers and footers and stuff like this work, it's pretty cool. So first thing I'm going to do is change the copyright to powered by. Dude. Yay! Whoop. And we're going to publish this. And now, where do you want to display your template? So this template, I want it to display all over the site. So I add a condition to include the entire site. And now this footer is going to be installed through the entire site, which is awesome. We're going to change this. I mean, the only thing right now I know is the email. I don't think we're going to need a phone number, but we're going to go business@melibela.tv. All right. Update that. We are going to update the social media. Facebook. I gotta go get all her socials. All right. Why don't I hear? Shouldn't I hear her stream? I don't know. Something weird's going on. But anyways, I don't need to hear it. I just need to find her social media stuff. Beep, 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 beep. Socials. Dur, 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 dur. Okay, that's what I want. I need all that stuff. Copy that. Shit. Copy all that. Copy.
Bro, that is super poggers. Fango, thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. I'll come back for 36 months, 3 whole years, dude. That is insane.
Okay, so I got the sound working now.
Thank you so much.
I don't know why it wasn't working earlier.
Thank you for sticking around, Fango.
Oh, I know why it was working. It was going on my speakers. All right, so now I grabbed her socials. That's awesome. So I don't need to keep her playing. We're gonna go over here. Get rid of that. Boop, boop. I thought I... What's going on? Pretty sure I copy and pasted her socials. Where did they go? Why is my computer being a stupid head? Really? Okay. Okay, so there they are. Follow my socials for content. All right. Reddit, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Threads. So Twitter, copy that. Boop. Go to Twitter, paste it in. All right. Now Reddit. Well, hers actually starts with Twitter. So actually, hers should start with Twitch. So first thing, change the icon. TW. There's Twitch. Beautiful. Twitch. Insert. HTTPS. Twitch.tv. MELIBELA. Okay. Boom. Bring that to the top. Facebook. I'm going to get rid of. So Twitter. I got YouTube. Let's grab that. YouTube is this. Copy. Paste. Add item. Instagram. Insta. And it has all these icons built in, so it's pretty cool. Nope, that was YouTube. I need Instagram. If you don't see where I'm grabbing it from, I just pasted that chat that I grabbed in my title. Boop. Okay. Instagram. I don't know what Threads is. Well, let's do Reddit. Copy that. Reddit. Think. Boop. Okay. So I got Twitch, Twitter, Reddit, TikTok. So add TIK. Oh, there is no TikTok icon. Look at that. Threads is the X from Meta. I'm confused now. What is the X? Oh, like... I don't get it. Oh yeah, I haven't got to call it X yet. I'm still calling it Twitter. I'm sorry. I haven't gotten there yet. But the cool thing you can do is when you don't have an icon for something, you can always. Oh, let's see if there's icons here. Tick. No. Wow, nothing has TikTok. Aha! Font Awesome Brands does. Insert TikTok. Yay! All right. TikTok. TikTok, you don't stop. Shit. Cool thing is, I love this paste thing. So, grab that. Paste that back in my thing. And we will go to TikTok. Drop it to TikTok. Boop, 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 boop. And threads. I don't know if, let's see if this has it. THRE. No, see, it doesn't have threads. Does it have meta? No. Facebook. It's got a bunch of Facebook stuff. No. It doesn't have a icon for threads. It looks like, I guess I can go link and just use a regular. No, it doesn't even, just a link icon, I guess. No, that won't look right. You know what? Fuck it. I'm not putting the threads there because I don't have an icon for it. Plus, I'm pretty full with all these icons that are already there. Update. And we're going to get rid of this guy because that's not that. And what I've been doing is actually, we're going to delete this box altogether. What did I do? Oh, I deleted the join newsletter. I didn't want to do that. I want to delete this box. So, I think is it this column? Nope. I want to go to this column, image, right click, delete that image, and we're going to add site title to, come on. Come on. Let me add the freaking thing. Okay. There's the site title. Now I'm going to bring it up. And see how you can just drag stuff around, how cool and easy that is? Let's go like this. Let's go Twitch, MELIBELA. Let's grab her about from here. Hey, thanks for following me. Awesome. Awesome. I'm trying to get to that 50 follower mark so that I can get the,
Door wasn't supposed to be there. Yeah, that was so weird.
All right, so
Probably mixed up
her
two
about
scenes.
is...
Hi, Ferris. What's up? Allergy season? I don't have allergies.
Okay.
I'm allergic to you.
Oh, cool.
I actually think so.
She already updated her email. Awesome. I got her set up with her email. Oh, cool. She got an address there, too. So I am going to go here. I'm going to turn her down for a minute. Because I don't need to hear that. And we're going to go and edit this footer. We're going to put this, boop. Pop that there. The about us and all that. And service. She's not doing services, but she is going to have stuff. I don't know what to call it, though. This is the problem. And I'm not blaming anybody because I didn't even ask for it yet. I mean, I just starting this project today. Join our... You know what? Join our Discord. Join our Discord for more information. And instead of the subscribe now button, I'm going to say go to Discord, I guess. Whatever. And it's https discord.gg/MELIBELA. All right. So I do a lot of designs for people, and the biggest problem I run into is they don't give me content. They expect a whole website. They want me to do this magic and make this website for them without any content. And that's difficult. It is really difficult to do when you don't know, like, it's your website. I don't know what you want on it, what you want it to look like. But again, I had a half an hour meeting with her today, and that was it. Because I just wanted to get the basics going. Have her pick a design, and then I can at least get the design done. And then we can go in and say, all right, well, what do you want this to say? What do you want that to say? And we'll go in and do that later. The only thing that that I'm not liking is the underlines. I don't know why it's underlining them. Because it shouldn't be. And I don't know if I gotta throw a CSS in there to get rid of that underline. Let me see. Site settings. Global fonts, typography. Let's try typography. H2, H4, no. All right, so hold on. Let's see this. How can I change link underline in Elementor? All right, gotta love Reddit. Well, I know that. I know the text decoration done, but really, I'm gonna. I could change it for all the links, but I. Oh wait, what's this? Elementor forum. Blah, 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 blah. Again, that's not what I want, but I guess I can throw some CSS in there and do it, but let's see if it works. Custom CSS, text version, none. It worked, but and I knew it would, but I shouldn't have to do that. Whatever. It worked, but now let's see something. Yeah, I guess I'm okay with it. It did what I wanted it to do. It got rid of the underlines. Just making sure nothing else in here needs an underline. All right. So it looks like none of the lotties got brought into the theme. Because like right here, there's supposed to be a lottie. And there is a way to do it. Like, you can go over here, and I think there's an actual thing. Hold on. Sometimes when you exit the site settings, it takes a minute to go back. But there is a thing called a lot, L-O-T-T-I, lottie. So literally, I can drag a lottie to maybe right there. Okay, that's not the lottie that I wanted. Now, all right. So how? This is gonna be a good question. How do you steal a lottie from somebody else's site? All right. So I guess I can do. How do I mean, how can how can I steal a lottie from someone's site? Oh, lottie. And and it's funny, I've got an account on Lottie Files. I've actually got a paid account on here. This will be the first time I've ever used it. All right. Yep. So let's try gaming. Premium animations, access, yay! Or maybe it, yeah, no, this is the site I have. All right, so what are these? Where is it? What are these people? These are like gamers? Lottie Element 5. Path rect. Oh, hold on. Copy element. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so let's go here. I got something in my eye. Shit. Okay, VI. No, I'm gonna use net. No, I'm gonna use VI. VI guys.json. Oy. I think that's how I do it. So let's go over here. I just threw a lottie. Where's the lottie that I put in? Okay, there's that lottie. So enable, select file, guys.json, select. Is it gonna work? I know it's an SVG, but this is aggravating. But it's an animation of. I think I have a premium account on here. Don't I have an account on here? Didn't I pay for an account? But yeah, I do have a plan. Yeah, okay, I thought I did. LOGDA. Well, I guess that's what a Lottie file is. Lightweight, scalable animations for your websites and apps. Like it's got these cool like things. Like I could do like a little turkey or something. Let's do gaming. Mario. Okay, premium animations. Okay, gaming. That's, oh, okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, some of these are cool. Oh, I like that one. That one's kind of cool. All right. Yeah, I'm not going to use, I guess I'm not going to use the same one, but I'm going to use something that's pretty cool looking. You know, I'm going to steal this for now. Save to workspace. Jeff's new project. Villa. Select. Okay. Ooh, I want the Discord. Oh, I like these two, the Twitch and the Discord. That's pretty cool. All right. So let's go to project. How do I put it in a collection? No. Where the hell did it go? Aggravated. Thought I just saved it to here. Girl gamer. Okay. I want this. How do I download it? Save to workplace. There. Select. I go over there. Okay, there it is. Cool. Okay. Oh, what the hell is going on? So I click on that. What is up with this? I'm getting a little aggravated now. so let's go here. Move guys.svg. Let's see if that works. Source. Okay, so source. Upload. Select. Okay, so it needs to be a delete permanently. Okay. Okay. Those are cool. I like that too. I've got to, I guess, like, inspect. Body element. There's this. Ah! Found it. That's what I needed. Copy element. All right. There. Oh, where'd it go? 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 There it is right there. Boom. There's the JSON file. That's the JSON file for that little. All right, let's get this one. Inspect. So if you inspect it and then you go just a little bit above where it says Lottie file, above the defs, SVG, it's right here. See? You copy this, copy element. I found it. All right, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy that JSON link right there, copy. I'm going to go over here, click on that. Lottie, change from media file to external URL, enter my URL, and bam! Haha, it's a little small, but I got it working. So that's awesome. Sweet. All right, what's going on my cell phone? Not now. All right. Okay, cool. Oh, I got another follower. Hell yeah!
Hello?
Whoa. I turned Melly's sound back up. All right, let's close that. I don't need that anymore. You were just gonna start what? Trying to steal the Lottie for me? Hey, where did my camera go? That's the weird thing about this. Hold on. Thank you for that though. All right, so GoPro camera. Like sometimes it's weird. My GoPro will disappear. It'll just like poof, gone. Oh, we've got my down view camera that I was working on, but my GoPro's still here. So I'm gonna unplug it, plug it back in. Like, see, this is, let me show you. This is the setup I've got for, like, I've got my GoPro here. I stuck it on the back of my monitor with one of those things. And then it, like, you can see, well, you see this bright light, see the big Streamlabs bright light that I got there. I love it. But yeah, it's weird. Yeah, sorry, it's probably getting nauseated with my camera going like crazy. So I guess what I can do is we'll go well, wait a second. I'm just gonna throw this on there on the computer right next to the GoPro, aim it the way that it was, and I guess I'm gonna stream using this crappy camera right now. Yeah, I did. I paid some money for this thing. I'm just gonna go to webcam in corner. Sorry, hold on. It's gonna take me once. Oh, all right. Did my Okay. I don't know what I did. So let's go back to my Mac screen. All right. Oh, I did. I got the other camera working. Cool. Yeah. So the first thing I did was when I was going to stream is I bought everything. So a friend of mine, he's a streamer. He's actually one of the first people in the hacking group Anonymous. So he's a streamer, Greg. Let me bring his page up so you can see who he is. He's a streamer, and he got all of this equipment given to him. Like he got the mic, the Roadcaster, and all that cool stuff. I gave him some wireless mics too because he's a protester and actually he does some really good causes. But anyways, he gets hooked up. It's so lucky. Like I was like, damn, you got all this cool stuff, and I got to go out and buy it. So I did. I went out and bought everything. My wife was not too happy. All right, but she knows that like it's for a good cause. Like if I can teach, if my goal here is, it's not to make money. It's if I can teach you something, even one person in a night, that's all. That's it. I'm happy. All right, so we got to figure something out with this Lottie now because it's a lot bigger on the other one. How did they make it bigger is the question. So advanced. Actually, if I go, can I go 120? Ah! All right, I answered my own question. Problem solved. All right, settings. Play speed 1. Start point. Trigger viewport. Loop, yes. Sweet. All right. I got the little Lottie guy in there. I'm so excited. The Lottie, that little guy makes me so happy. It looks so cool. I love it. All right. So now there are a couple more Lotties on this site. So there's one right here. So we're going to go, I play games on these different forms. I don't know if that's true, but it's something. So now what I need is I need to see what the Lottie was for over there. So, oh, okay. So it's like a cool, all different thing, Lottie. So we'll inspect it, go above all that, and see the JSON file, copy the element, paste it here, grab the JSON. Come on. Don't give me that crap. All right, grab the JSON link, copy it, go back over here, and we are going to go Lottie. We're going to bring it over here. We're going to go external URL, pop that in, and now we're going to go loop. We're going to go style with 120. And perfect. Sweet. All right. So cool. Our clients around the world. We're going to get rid of that because we don't have clients. Oh, no. Our viewers from around the world. Sweet. We have viewers. Viewers. Viewers from all over the world checking out our stream. Good enough. All right. So Oh, I like these. I like this little thing where it's got little pictures. I guess I can do something with that later. But for now, it's good enough. All right, let's put a Lottie in here. We need to grab it from here again. So scroll down, right click on the Lottie, inspect it. I don't know if I inspected the Lottie. Oh, there's the Lottie right there with, you can see with everything moving. So what we do is we go above all that, find this JSON, copy element, take the element, grab the Lottie URL, copy it, go back over here. I'm gonna go pop LOTTI, bring the Lottie over there, change it to external, paste it. Oh, that's not the right Lottie. Boom, inspect. Okay, hold on. What's going on? I want. All right. Okay, so let's go up here first. First thing I want to do is I want to get rid of that so that I don't see that move anymore. What is this? Trans blue? I'm getting a little confused because I know that is a Lottie that's moving, but I can't find it in here. All right, so here's the div target. Okay. Lottie default. Oh. Widget container. Ekit. There it is. Got it. Got to do a little digging sometimes. So grab it. Boom. Grab that. Copy. Boom. Back over here. Paste the right Lottie in. There it is. Very cool. All right. Latest news. Is there anything over there? No. Nope. There is a little rocket ship by the newsletter, which I'll grab it. I like it. I think it's cute. There it is right there. Copy element. Boom, boom. Bam. Lotties do, I like Lotties because they really bring your page to life. They do. So let's update that. Let's edit the footer. We'll click on, if we just click on footer, it switches us to a different part of the site so that we can edit that footer. And we are going to go join our Discord. Oh, yeah. So I want to do dashboard. Like, go to first project. I thought, like, yeah, see? I can edit these. This is what I thought. I don't know why. Like, go here and it gives me an error. It's a little weird. All right. So, first project. Do we have a. No, I need a Discord icon. Premium animations. Discord. I need a cool looking Discord. I like this one. I think that's pretty cool. So save. I'm going to save it to first project because first project is the only one that seems to work. So I click on it. There it is. Optimized, recommended. A Lottie that is reduced in size but not in quality. Okay. Download. Discord spinning. All right. So I can go here and let's go here. We'll go Lottie. LOTTI. Gonna add a Lottie media file, external. No, we're gonna go media file. Yeah. Upload. Boom. Downloads. Discord spinning. Select. All right, so there's the Discord spinning. First thing I want to do is shrink the hell out of it. All right, so settings. We do want it to loop. Damn, that's a little crazy. I want it to loop, but whatever. Style, width. We're just going to want it to be like that. And we are going to want it to be, transform it. No, I want it to be after this. So how can I do that? So if I stick it there, oh, I know what I can do. I just go like this, boom. I don't want it. Can I add a layout right here? So if I put a container in here and I go put that there. No, can I not put it in the container? Yeah, go in my container. Let's see. Heading. Okay. Weird. Join our Discord. And now I want to go add this guy. I guess you can't. LOTTI. I can add the Lottie in the container, right? It's in the container. Yep. So let's ditch that one. Let's go to this Lottie. We'll go to media file. Continue. Put that one. Discord spinning. Great. We're going to go style it. We're going to make our width like that. And okay. Shrink that down. And I shrink this. No, I don't want to shrink that. All right. So how do I shrink just that? Ah, there we go. All right. This is, okay, bear with me. This is the first time I've used this container shit. So if I bring that to be like that. All right. So let's go to the container. Container, content width, full width. Style, no. Container, wrap. That, no. Additional options, no. Items, direction, that way. Ah, haha, cool. That's what I wanted. And now what I can do with it is I can go with like that. Can I make this like centered? I can go advanced and go add a margin on the top, like 5, nope, 20. There we go. Now I can get rid of that. Think, delete, and do something like that. Now I get the little Discord picture there. And I am going to click on the Lottie now. Bink. We're going to go settings. We're going to go. How do we make it like. See if can I slow it down? Wish there was a way to pause it in the middle of the spinning, but all right, I guess that's cool. I've got the Lottie spinning. Join our Discord. We get the little Lottie Discord there, so that's cool. Let's update it. Alrighty. That's going cool. We got some good music. So let's go to these. Let's go to this FAQ. And now for the FAQ, we're going to go to Twitter, not Twitter, Twitch, MELIBELA. and I'm going to grab some of her content from below her stream. So she's playing a game right now. I want to mute that. Come on, mute. All right, cool. So let's scroll down. Scroll down. There we go. I need these little boxes. This is what I need to grab. All right. Copy. Please hold for a moment. Actually, let's link my... Hey, Andrew, hold on 1 second. Shoot. Let's go here. Settings. Bluetooth. Come on. Got it. All right. Pair. Okay, let's go back here. Can you hear me?
Hi. Andrew? Yes, I can.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. All right, awesome. Yeah, no, I'm streaming right now, and since I'm streaming, you're on my stream.
Oh, interesting.
Welcome to my stream. Yeah, so what's going on?
I just had a quick question for you. I'm trying to read the employee handbook, and I have ADD, so if I'm looking at the handbook, I'm reading that, but I'm thinking about 5 people's schedules and all the calls that are coming in. Is there a way for me to make that so I can have it read aloud like I can text messages? An easy way to make... I've been copying 1 page at a time into a text, texting it to myself, then clicking read aloud, and I can listen, but then I keep transitioning back to it.
You should be able to download the whole PDF file.
I did that. Okay.
And then bring it. Oh, you're on an Android, so
If I'm on an Apple, I have an Apple as well.
Okay, so on the Apple, I think if you bring it into Books, if you go into the Apple Books app, you can have Apple Books read it to you, I think.
Oh, okay.
Apple Books read aloud. Let's just see. Yeah, it will read aloud. So yeah, if you bring the PDF into Apple Books, which all you're going to do is go into Apple Books on your phone and import the PDF file, because I've got a whole bunch of PDF.
Oh.
I get a whole bunch of them in my books. And then yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to download Apple Books.
I have it. And then it should already be on the phone. It comes with Apple, unless you deleted it.
Oh, which I shouldn't. Oh, like Audible? Is that what it is?
No,
no, it's Apple Books. I just found it. I have a cloud of it, so it looks like I did have it, but I don't have it now, so I'm just re-downloading it. Perfect.
Yep. You just bring it in, and then you go to your library, and actually, when you download a PDF, it should automatically come in your library. And then,
oh, okay, perfect. So what I'll do is I'll send it over to myself then as an email or something and get it. I have, because I have, you said a New England email on both phones anyways.
Yep. So you just bring it over, and then you've got it in Apple Books, and you're good to have it read it to you. Why are you Why are you reading the entire company handbook?
Because Dan told me I should know the handbook. You know how things go. I just want to know some of it. Like, if it's playing out loud in my ear while I'm doing other things, I can at least absorb the information for the most part. But it's better than me reading it, like stopping and reading 64 pages of shit. But I just want people, when they reference stupid things, I want to be able to understand what they're talking about a little bit.
Right. And be like, you know what? In the handbook,
employees, not for myself, but more for the associates.
Right. Now,
I'm not supposed to call them associates.
I was just gonna say, you're not supposed to call them associates.
I know, God forbid.
I know, right?
Are you an associate or are you an officer? What do I call you?
That's a good question. I'm an executive.
Or my cousin.
No.
Besides cousin, what do I call you?
You could just call me cousin, or I'm an executive. Just call it cuz.
Executive. All right, perfect.
So yeah. What was I gonna?
Yeah, I'm just trying. I just want to know what I can know to be the most effective person I can be, and then if anyone says that you read it, I can now say yes, even though someone read it to me.
I was just gonna say someone read it to you though.
Yep.
Oh, I like that one better. Did you? Oh, it's got a screen thing in the back though. I don't like that. What was I going to ask you? I was going to ask you something. Oh, have you put up any of the signs yet?
Yes, I have. I actually have a couple set up that we're going to implement in Holden as well, just because we need some in Holden immediately. But we did put up a few. I've had in the Worcester market, we went from 290 something hours to 700 hours overnight, literally.
Holy shit, that is
So
awesome.
I'm a little strapped right now, to say the least. I have shifts that I don't know what I'm going to do with. Now I've been saying if we build it, they will come. They have come.
That's awesome. That's all. Yeah, right. That's the thing. Once you, oh, David says hello. He's on my stream. He can hear you, and he said, "Say hi to Andrew for me."
Hi, David.
That's awesome. That's awesome. But yeah.
So I just want to know everything I can know. I want to be the most effective I can be. And like by having it playing, I can at least have it going into my head. I hear things that people say. Sometimes I talk to people and it seems unnecessary, but when they talk back to me, I take in a lot more than I would reading something necessarily, or
Right.
I don't know, just I'm better with audio visual.
No. I definitely get that, and I think that's the great way to have. That's awesome. You know, I wonder if in the company intranet, I can add something so that you can have the handbook read to you. I mean, I think more.
That would be amazing.
I think more people would actually read it if that were the case. You know, so
oh yeah, and a little earpiece. Pop in an earpiece, and you can listen. And
right,
I think it's a lot easier. It allows you to have visual on other things, especially while you're working. Because the one thing you need is visibility to make sure no one's breaking in, no one's doing the wrong things. So if you can be hearing that on one ear, and you can be seeing what's going on, but if I'm looking down and reading this on a phone screen,
and somebody breaks into the site,
right? I'm not seeing anything. So
right.
To me, it's a 2-for-1 deal, almost.
No, that's awesome. I never even thought of doing that, but no, I think I got to see if I can do that. There's got to be a way to pop that in.
And speaking of the audio visual, we're looking at setting up some video post orders for the Holden site.
Okay.
Just because we have a lot of people coming and going there, I think it'd be a lot easier to have a video post order to go over some of the main important pieces there.
Well, let me
just do it.
Let me know a day.
One of the easiest first ones to do.
Let me know a day you want to do it. I'll drive up and I'll give you the wireless. We'll bang it out. I've got my iPhone 15 now, which is freaking awesome. The video on this thing is amazing, and I got my little gimbal, so I think we can make a badass post order.
That would be great. I would, and if I have a couple minutes notice, like as you know, last time was on.
Oh God,
whim, but,
it was like
I think we can really rock this one.
Right. Last time it was like, hey, you're doing this, surprise.
And I've been mentally practicing for it anyways, so there's certain things I want to point out, things that they can look for to see. Oh, kids have been over here since our last tour, or since our last visit here. So I have it all ready to go. So I'm really looking forward to that. So whenever you have any freedom, let me know, and I can
all right,
set my schedule for you.
Yeah, like what time is good for you? Like when would be good for you, do you think?
If I have the ability, like if I have coverage, I'll look at my schedule and I'll text you. But if I have like a 5 to 10 covered at Plumhouse, I don't have to be until 10. Ideally, then I could do like anything 1, 2, 3 while it's still sunny out, and then I can go back to bed for a little while, so I can kind of split up my sleep and make it happen that way.
All right.
So we're not there in the dark or something.
Yeah, David wants to come out too, so I think that would be cool. Have him come out with us. We could do like a whole production.
If he comes out here and I have too many vacancies, he may never return.
Oh, I know, David. You may end up stuck in Worcester. You may be you may be an associate there.
We'd love him to come out here and check everything out.
Yeah, no, because it's cool when you're working dispatch and you get to see the sites. You get to see what everything is, and it's like, all right, so and so did this, but you don't know what they're talking about, or this fence is broken. Oh, well, I don't know where that fence is. It's great to be able to see what you're talking about. So.
Right. In a spot like Newmarket, well, you could never understand what that's like until you've been there.
Right.
And even Plumhouse, it looks like it's a quiet site, but when you look beyond the fence, you see that there's a lot of crazy things happening just 50 feet away from the fence.
Right.
And it's nice to be able to put a 3-dimensional understanding to each site, because each one is different. It's a lot more involved. Sometimes it's like watching paint dry, but sometimes it's crazy and nonstop chaos. So.
Right. Sometimes, oh no, I sound like a chipmunk. Woohoo!
Um, yes, I love having the voice changers, and I can be able to do like where is it? Nope, that I can say F you and beep out my stuff. I can oh, I'm hilarious. Yeah,
Like
right.
the night show, the late show.
Right. I'm trying to make my stream a little interesting. Sorry, Brightlin. I work for a security company too. He's one of the guys watching the stream, and he's like, "What the hell's going on?" But
Oh, yeah.
so
Too much security.
yeah,
ruining
no,
your,
because I'm in the middle of doing web design, and then all of a sudden you call, and it's like we're talking about dispatch and associates and security, and it's like, whoa, what the hell?
Oh, yeah. Web design is incremental. Very important. It's incrementally growing everything here, but it's very important to everything nowadays.
Yes.
2023 technology is king. So
Right. I want $1 million or I'm going to kill your cat.
I know that's not you because you'd never kill a cat.
Hell no.
Never.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Where they go. Well, thank you for including.
No problem.
Laugh way too much. Thank you so much.
No problem. I'm gonna shoot you the link so that you can hop on the stream if you have time. You can check it out. You
Okay,
can...
great.
All right.
Yeah. Again, that's audio visual. I'll be able to do that, and I have it on the dash so I can watch everything at the same time. Perfect.
All right. Cool. Yeah, I will send it to you right now.
Great. Thank you so much. And you have a great night. Have a great night, everybody.
All right. Cool. I will talk to you in a bit. Later.
All right. Thanks. Later.
Yep. HTTPS twitch.tv Dodge. Hope I sent it to the right phone, but bam. Oh, my nephew usually comes on. He's in the army. But he's actually in California right now training for something. I pray that he doesn't go to Ukraine, Russia, wherever. But I guess he's got really shit internet there because he's usually on my stream and he can't watch tonight. Yeah, we just had Veterans Day. Definitely thank all the veterans that are out there. All right, so let's continue. So we're gonna go to pages. I added the about page. So what I want to do is now add it to the menu. Go to the menu. We're gonna go about, add to menu, save. And the cool thing about this theme is, let's go to the actual site /home. Yeah, I can leave that. So let's see how it looks. This is actually how it looks on the web right now. And what it does is the last link item, it gives it like this little boop. So what I'm going to do with that is, I think the last item that I'm going to do on here is we're going to add a custom link that's called watch Twitch stream, HTTPS twitch.tv/MELIBELA. All right, add to menu. So if I do that, and now should have home, about, and then Twitch stream. And now that's a button, and this is just the regular menu where I can click about and go to the About Us page or home. So that's pretty cool. The thing I didn't just like is why does that get cut like that? We're gonna have to look into that. Is it because my screen's so big? It might be. Damn that big screen. All right, so let's go to pages, all pages. Let's go to edit with Elementor on the about page and see why that's that purple's popping in. So we will go to the section and style. All right, there's that. Okay, so it's an image size full. Oh shoot. If I do auto, no, cover. There we go. Copy. All right, cool. So now that I fixed that, it should be looking much better. Hell yeah. home, about, sweet. All right, about us. And now I want to do a contact page, contact us. I mean, I really can't add any content to the site yet, but I can add the pages. So we're going to go all pages, add a new page, and we're going to call this page contact me, publish, and we're going to edit with Elementor. And now we are going to, first things first, always, always, always hide that title, unless you want the title to show, but I never do. We're going to go this little leaf, view installed kits. We're going to go to the contact us page and insert that template. And now email address, we change that to BUSI business at MELIBELA.tv. Address, let's go back to her stream. And she's got a P.O. box. I gotta get me a P.O. box. Not cross drive. All right, so let's add a BR here. BR. Boop. And there we go. That looks better. And then I don't need a map. We don't need a map. And phone number. Yeah. No phone number. Guess what? Oh, I got email address. Discord. Discord.gg/MELIBELA. I was gonna buy myself a .gg domain, but they're like $75 a year. They're not cheap. We're gonna go to brands and we're gonna go to DISCORD. Discord, baby. Okay, sweet. Sweet. Hit me up and on any of these mediums. You have any questions or ideas for the show? I spelled something wrong. QUESTIONS. There we go. Update that. Boom. All right. And again, we got to fix this header, this section style. Go to the image, go to display size. We're going to change that to cover so that it covers the whole thing. And now it actually looks good. Sweet. Now we've got to exit this page. We've got to go to appearance menus, add the contact me page, and go boop. All right. So that's all I'm really doing tonight because I really need contact and I need to get it linked to all the social media so that we can have that automatically show up when she posts. Yeah, it's not cheap. Like, I mean, this .tv was $25 a year. But yeah, this is cool. All right. So actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this. I'm going to go back to her here, over here. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to copy that. I wanted to go to the FAQs on the first page. So this FAQ, we're going to put some questions in there and answers. All right. Go down. Okay, so first question is, let's edit this. Okay, so first question, we'll go boop, boop. Hey, I like that. Who am I? All right, next one is gonna be, can I donate? How can I donate to you? Boop. So that should be, there we go. And we'll go, what else do we got on here? Boop. Do you have an Amazon wish list? I don't know if that's a wish list or Amazon list. Whatever. I don't know. I'm just kind of winging this from stuff here. Oh, yeah. What is the schedule? What is your stream schedule? Boop. Yay! It's getting there. It's getting there. All right. Check out the answers to most questions people ask. I don't know. I am so bad at content. What I usually do for content is ChatGPT. ChatGPT writes all my content. Yeah. But so I want to take this here, copy that, put this right here. Come play games and chat with me on Twitch. All right, we're gonna call this watch stream https twitch.tv MELIBELA and learn more. I can delete. And didn't I add? I could have swore I added something so the links disappeared. What the hell? Globals? No, I don't want a global widget. I don't know what I did. How did I? Maybe for this section? Custom CSS, none. I think that was, I forgot if that's how you do it. Is that how you do it? No. Damn it. I'm so bad at CSS. I always have to look stuff up. Hide, underline. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Thank you. Update. Sweet. Cool. All right. We're looking good. I mean, we've got no content here yet, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Boop. Okay, so well, let's change some of these little titles just in case people are going to it right off the bat. She's not a developer, so we're gonna call the most trusted streamer in gaming. Eh. Under construction, updating, in the works. All right, so what we're going to do now, since this site isn't up yet, I'm going to go like this. I'm gonna exit it. Let's update again, make sure. Exit this. I'm going to create another page, add new page under construction. Publish it. Edit it with Elementor. And what I'm going to do, of course, we want to hide the title. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to change the page layout from default to, I think, Elementor Canvas. And what that does is it gives you a blank canvas so that there's no heading, there's no nothing. And what I want to do with that is I want to do, I'm actually going to use the 404 as a coming soon under construction. This site is not finished yet. Come back shortly. For now, just head on over to my stream to watch the show live. I stream most days at 6 p.m. Central Time. All right, we're going to go change this to watch live. TV, MELIBELA. All right, guys. I think I'm done. I mean, for today anyways. So now that I want that under construction to always show up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings, reading, and then your homepage displays either your latest posts, which I never do. I always change it to a static page. Normally, we would select home as being the main page, but I'm going to do it to under construction and save changes. And now check this out. When I go to melibela.tv, bam! How freaking awesome. But yeah, so if you want to see the actual site, you go /home, and that will show you what we actually worked on tonight. But yeah, I'd like to thank everybody for hanging out with me tonight. I mean, I'm sorry my camera is so crappy. Usually I use my, let me see, I'm gonna try something. Turn my GoPro back on. I'll give you a view of my setup again. I've got my Rodecaster here, which I love. Oh, I think I turned my mic down for so. Oh no, my mic shouldn't be that loud. I don't know why. I just blasted you. All right. Okay, cool. And then I've got my cool.
Hit that button and then now I sound like a friggin' chipmunk. Love it.
Then I've got my Stream Deck, which I've got all my cool buttons on, and like this is the part I like the most. So I've got a Raspberry Pi running. What's it called? It's a Pi hole. It's a ad blocker, and I've got a button on my Stream Deck. I can hit this. See how it's black and white now? I just turned my ad blocker off, so now everything on my network is ads can come through. I want it back on. I just hit the button, and now it's back on. Thing I like, these are some cool things I like. I've got the little kitty here. It basically puts my Stream Deck to a screensaver, which I never even knew you could do. You can see here, I've got a YubiKey. All my passwords are blocked with this thing. You can't get into any of my accounts without using my YubiKey. Love it. Then I've got a thing called lights. You hit lights, and like these lights behind me, I hit this one button, and check it out. The light, oh, I gotta turn them down. And I could turn them down by just hitting this button. But check it out. Now my lights are displaying these cool things just by hitting a button on my Stream Deck. It makes my lights look awesome. Then I've got this that controls my actual light that's up there. All these lights behind me, like I've got other lights like green in the corner, but like if I hit the green button, it gets like if I'm gonna look like I'm in a red light district, I can turn all my red lights on, and now everybody knows I'm a prostitute. Damn, I gotta change that. Gotta go to blue, not red light district. And yeah, I love that I can control all my lights. And you can see I'm streaming off of a MacBook. That's my MacBook and my MacBook setup-y thingy. My speakers and all that good stuff. Omegle. Then I've got apps. I have just like a bunch of apps that I use all the time. I could just hit a button and it pops up. Yeah, so let's see. I am going to try and get my GoPro back on. So let's go here, properties. Yeah, see, if you look at my screen, it's not even giving me the option for my GoPro anymore. But like the app is running. I could go show preview. Oh, the preview didn't even come up. All right, oh, there's my preview. Check it out. It's working. Okay, so now that it's working, let's see if it shows back up here. Ugh. Cancel. Let's go back in. Properties. No. See, it won't, unless I restart OBS, it ain't happening. And then over here, this is my desk of horror. It's got like, I've got a view of me, and then it's got a camera here. I've got thing. Shoot, I've got a clip here, which is definitely cool to have my clip with all my bullets in it. But I'm about to freak out because, oh, all right, whew, thought I lost my gun. That wouldn't have been good to lose that. Would have been some bad luck there. Isn't it pretty? I love it. I don't go anywhere without it. You know, I'm a madman. But yeah, that is the end of my stream for tonight. What's a cam link? Oh, with the so you plug the. Oh, I could plug the GoPro in with the HDMI cable. And I mean, I'm thinking I'm gonna just buy a GH5, because, like, oh, and if you thought that was a real gun, it's not. It's a pepper ball gun. It's a burner, because I don't think, like, the problem is, quick story. I had a BB gun. Shot myself in the finger. The BB went under my nail. They had to break my nail off. Had a paintball gun. Shot myself in the knee in the middle of a game and went down on my face. Pepper ball gun. I popped open one of the pepper balls in my car while I was driving, and I couldn't see for about 45 minutes. So I was like squinting in my car trying to get home. So if I were to get a real gun, yeah, I'm scared. I think something would happen. I'd end up shooting myself, because every gun I've had, I shot myself with it. And, you know, I guess, I had a taser too. And my stupid thing was like, oh, how strong is this taser? I was trying to zap a multimeter, and I zapped one of the wires, the red wire, while I was holding on the black wire. The zap went through the multimeter, out the black wire, threw me on the floor. So yeah, me and guns and tasers and that type of shit don't work out very well. But anyhow, thank you for following me. Thank you for stopping by. And I do stream every week, every Friday night at 10 p.m., every Sunday at 10 p.m. And sometimes I pop on during the week if I have time. But since I am the executive director of technology for a security company, I am usually out on site and like crazy busy. But I do a lot of web design for the security, so that's why I started this, to broadcast that. I was designing websites anyway, so might as well teach people. Yeah. that is it. Again, thank everybody for stopping by, and I will see you next time.
Later.
Thanks. That'd be cool.